Hey guys, just needed a turntable for a train set, and I found Awesome Sauce 4321's compact Lego turntable to be perfect. So I reverse engineered it from his video and wanted to put some instructions together in case anyone else wanted to do the same. A few of the pieces are different, but it works the same way, so you can use exactly what Awesome Sauce has or adjust as needed. I just used whatever was in arm's reach. So first thing you're gonna need is three of these 5x7 Technic frames. And you can see there are two upright and sideways, and they're held together by four black Technic pins on the bottom. So once you've got that out of the way, you wanna grab some blue 3-unit Technic pins, and don't push them in yet, but put them up here in these slots. That's what's gonna hold our turntable in. So then starting on the side here, we've got a 2x4 Technic L, and there is a black Technic pin here. And then we have the 3-unit pin here. Over here, we've got a 3x5, so there's a black pin here. And then go ahead and put in, your 3 and these 2 blacks. So once you get that, make sure these are pushed in. I just want to show that they're 3-unit. Once this is all in, then we're going to take this 7-unit Technic and push it in here gracefully. All right. It's going to hold our axle. So next piece we're going to put in is the axle. So I think this is a 12 distance rod. So you just want to center this screw auger gear and just put whatever 2 distance you want to use. You could either be a full 2 spacer, or I have these 2 single on each side. So just center that, and we're going to drop it right down in here. So you can see that's centered. Go ahead and put this on the end to hold it. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna throw this on top. So I don't know what this is called, but I'm sure it has a number. You should have one laying around. Most of the stuff I have is from a Mindstorm kit. So once you set this in, that's what these blue pins are for, just go ahead and squeeze these in. All right, and we're gonna call this the back because the gears are gonna be up front here. So facing the front, we're gonna go ahead and put this assembly in. So I had these 2 3-unit pins. There's also these pins down on the bottom. So go ahead and place 2 of these in here. That's gonna house some of our gear shaft stuff. So you can see what this is made of. This is a 7-unit light gray rod. We've got our dark gray gear up here, this Technic piece, 2 spacers, the gear here, and this Technic piece as well. So again, the front facing us, we're going to finagle everything. So just make sure the gear sits inside, that bottom gear sits inside that housing of the frame, and get everything lined up. Again, as gracefully as possible. Let's try this again. Slide this on a little bit. That's why I turned around. Okay. Slide this guy down. All right. Hold on. All right. So it's better just to put the pins in here. That way you don't have to worry about the alignment. And we'll put this here. Everything lined up, and snap everything in. All right, so however you want to do that, you know, we've got the gear sitting here, touching the auger screw gear, and then this little dark gray gear up top will rotate the turntable. So you can see as we turn, the turntable turns very slowly. All right, so the next piece is going to be, again, just like that side over there, we're gonna take this 2x4, I already put the 2 black Technic pins in, we're gonna slide this through the hole and push that in. And then we have another 3x5, so you can see there's 4 pins in here. 2 of them are gonna hold the motor, so you can just go ahead and put them in and put that in. Okay. Next thing is going to be, we'll go ahead and throw this gear on. Again, all 3 of these gears are the same right here. So we'll push this in. Again, as gracefully as possible, because I practice this quite a bit. And we'll put this on to hold it. I don't think it'll really go anywhere, but then we've got a little motor here. So I want to make sure the bottom is down toward the bottom. I guess it doesn't really matter, but we're gonna slip this in here. And again, I did not really practice this a whole lot, so we may actually need to pull these guys out. Pull this guy out and attach the motor first. And push this guy back in. That works better. All right, put our gear back on. Now, inside the center of the motor, we need to push this 3-unit shaft and set our gear. And that's it. So, it should work. Again, you could probably use a longer shaft and put a pin on the end of it just so it doesn't go anywhere. So I'll hook it up. I've got a battery pack and a receiver here. So I'll hook this up, turn it on, and so it works. If anyone else is interested, like I said, I'm gonna or maybe I didn't say, it was probably a different video. I'm gonna get rid of this motor. I actually wanna put an ultrasonic sensor to know when a train's there. And I'm just gonna use a Mindstorm motor to run this turntable. So Awesome Sauce 4321, thank you very much. Love how compact it is and sturdy. And if anyone has any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks.